Hey everyone, welcome to your Gravity CX tutorial video. In this quick video, I'll show you how to clear session storage and local storage in Google Chrome. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the website where you want to clear the storage data. Next, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect from the menu. This will open the Developer Tools panel. At the top of the Developer Tools, click on the Application tab. If you don't see it, click the double arrow icon, then select Application. In the left sidebar under the Storage section, you'll find both Local Storage and Session Storage options. Click Local Storage, then select the website's URL. You'll see all the data saved locally by the site. Right-click anywhere in this table and select Clear to remove all local storage data for this site. Next, click on Session Storage in the sidebar and select the website's URL. Again, right-click inside the data area and choose Clear to remove all session storage data. Pro tip: if you want to clear everything, including cookies and cache, you can click on Clear Storage in the sidebar, check the items you want, and hit Clear Site Data. And that's it. You've successfully cleared both session storage and local storage in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more quick tips.